Have you ever walked into a space and just felt more at ease? Like the home invited you in, gave you a big hug, and said, "You're safe now." This beautiful townhome in Tempe gives you that feeling and so much more. Recently remodeled from top to bottom, this pristine home is a stunner. The updated kitchen boasts a quartz island with breakfast bar, brand new stainless steel appliances, and this custom backsplash that's simply beautiful. Plus, they added these really cool shelves above the sink to open up the space. Now, with the kitchen opening up directly to the family room, this is one of the most desirable floor plans in the entire community. And with fresh white paint and beautiful tones on the floors, the space feels bright, light, and open. Up on the top level are the dual master bedrooms, both with ensuite bathrooms. What a perfect retreat. This unit also has a 2-car garage with direct access to the home, includes all the appliances, and has a great view of the Cubs facilities. And the owner is happy to include all the furniture in the home, for an additional cost, of course. So all you have to do is bring your toothbrush and clothes, and you can move right in. The community has many great amenities as well. Relax at one of the 2 pools, or take a stroll on the mini walking paths. Or during spring training time, mosey across the street to the Cubs Stadium and catch a game. You're also in close proximity to ASU, Tempe Marketplace, and the 202 and 101 freeways. So if you want to take a look at this updated townhome in Tempe, then I invite you to call me Mike Delina with North & Co., and I'll show you 2401 East Rio Salado Parkway, Unit 1043. Thanks for stopping by.